my name is Erin. I'm a type 1 diabetic and I wear an insulin pump with tubing. I often think about these things and medical devices that are wearable, and I wonder, where are we supposed to wear these in something like this? There's no pockets, there's no waistband. I mean, what are you gonna do with it? A lot of people I know wear them in their bras by getting to them. Not so cute. And then there's also obviously a wonderful option of a clip. And you can put it here or in the back, I guess. But if you don't want to go through all of that, I created this. This is the Skirt My Pump Slip, and it is a patented product just for us insulin pumpers with multiple pocket openings, making it so that you can wear your insulin pump comfortable and accessible. Say this is how you put your insulin pump in, but if you need it shorter, this is how we do it. Slip inside out, and as you'll see, there are buttons, loops, entire slip. What we do to make it shorter, the loops over the buttons.